what's going on? It's a what? A car accident? Play na ba? Hindi ko na mag-vlog as in. For today's video. Hi guys, good morning. For today's video, we're going to Waimea. Off ko today and off din ng partner ko. So we decided to just spend our day together. Char! Wag mag-vlog. Oh my god. Ano ba yan? Halata ba yung ano ko? Hindi pa ako nakakapag-shave. Oh my god. Oh my god. So guys, please watch this vlog. Support my YouTube channel. Maawa kayo. Naghihingalo yung YouTube channel ko. Sana supportahan nyo. Ready na. Hintayin na lang natin si Bossing. Si Bossing! I have here my GoPro. I have here the extra batteries. I have here the charger. Yun lang. Share ko lang. For today's video, maglaag-laag me. So we're going. I brought extra shirt. This one right here. I didn't bring any beach towel. It's my extra shirt though. It's not yours. It's not your extra shirt. It's mine, I said. Let's go eat first. Say hi. Hi. International Marketplace. A place where rich goes. A place where we cannot afford. What is going on? What is... Look. Oh my god, look at that stupid driver. OMG, what's going on? It's a what? A car accident? They're trying to remove it. So we'll be stuck here for an hour maybe. Gotham na best. I'm so hungry now. I wanna eat. We went to the first iHub and there's a lot of people waiting in line and we're trying to look for some place to eat. Oh, why don't we just go to Pearl City? Arte na kasama ko, grabe. Ba't ganito yung setting ko? Look at this. My camera, babe. Look at. It's so bright. Like I'm so white. Look. I'm so white. Oh.
8 to 3. Bakery till 6.
Huh?
Bakery till 6.
Anna Miller's. We're here to eat.
Get up there and get 2 people. Hurry up.
This color is going. Finish eating. Smile ba? Let's go. Okay, we're done eating. We're going to our destination. We're going to show you around to Nanauli. Ang init, grabe. So hot. Super. Ang init. Oh, can you turn the aircon please? Oh my god, tumong init dito guys. Grabe. Oh, it's so hot. Oh my god.
You get the floor.
Oh my god. It's so hot. Guys, OA. You're so OA. Si Lolo, oh, si Tatay. Hi, Tay. it. It's only a small cave, yeah. The entrance is huge, but when you go there, there's no more. I can't wait to go inside. Yes! It's so bright outside. Oh! Trayek ba? Right now. We're here at Eva Beach. We're gonna try the authentic shave ice cream. It's not ice cream though. Is it Bob Marley Day? Why don't you just surfer? I remember this is where I took a picture before. Shave ice cream. Rainbow.
We are a rainbow. Our rainbow which is gonna be lychee. It's lychee, banana, and vanilla. Do you like all the flavors?
Can we stay out? Oh my god. I can't even. I hear something like Amumo! So we're just waiting for our shave ice cream. Shave ice cream. Shave ice. So this is it. This is the shave ice. How to eat this, babe? Oh my god. Tagay ka tao, guys. Okay, we're on our way to next stop, next destination. What is our next destination, babe? Just along the way, we can stop whenever we want. Like that. Yung iba nagpapahinga. There you are, the horses. The horses. Ayun, horse. Ampog, ini ko, yeah. What? Ha? Yeah. Uy, kadagkan sa pogi dere oy. What? Okay guys, so this is our last stop because we're going home and I need to get some rest. Wala pang tulog since last night, so are we going home? Goodbye guys! See you sa next video. Bye! Bye babe!
Bye.